Yeah. Dude. Watch.
I don't know.
Hey, Isaac. Is it cool if you're in the video? No,
Is it an RT?
no, it's not an RT. I was telling him that you said you beat a 5.0.
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
Mustang. Too.
This guy's pretty fast. You should run it with him.
You'll smoke me, fool, because I
I'm
need
just
a
kidding.
fucking oil change. And some tires, bro. My shit are gone.
Nah, this thing picks up. He gave me a ride yesterday.
Clean.
If you guys need a car wash too,
My dad beat a Henry too last time.
yeah.
Early
The
though. I don't know how.
Probably the other guy, he was too scared, fool.
I don't know about that.
Because I be driving with people and they get scared. They don't want to go over 100.
Oh, only 100? That's it?
My max out at 140.
what did yours max out at?
Huh?
Oh, never mind.
The fastest that went like around 40.
I was trying to see if your dad was there.
Oh, what you got?
1.5 turbo stock.
No, even if you had like a couple stuff done to it, he'd still,
I'm just intake and straight pipe. That's it.
and then he's stuck.
And I'm just lowering springs, but that's it. Not really that much.
That one, I want to lower mine too. Yeah.
They do make a difference, lowered.
Heck yeah.
With the stock rims, so it's clean. I'm gonna give those rims and I give it to my girl because she has the same one as mine, but just a fucking basic car. Then I'm gonna get new wheels. And I'm gonna give her my springs. I'm gonna get coils. Cause I'm on springs, I'm not on coils, so I'm gonna give her my springs. I'm gonna
You have
slap
to go to
coils.
coilovers.
Hell yeah, they drop more and they're better. Cause my shit's all fucking ugly. Shit looks bad, bro.
You should have seen.
Yeah, thank you. But I need to fix a lot of stuff though. Like I need a new bumper, cause that shit's fucked up. That shit's bad. I need an alignment. And it's a fucking 2019, and I need a lot of shit to.
Holy shit.
But yeah.
I don't even know it's 2019. But if 5.0 wants to run it with it, I'm just kidding.
It's pretty strong, but just when you feel like, I just feel like I'm gonna hit something. That's when you.
Oh, you already dropped it?
Yeah. It's clean, fool. That shit looks nice.
Finish putting it on.
It's uneven bolts though. I was supposed to put 8, there's only 7 under.
If you guys need a splitter put on,
Yeah, it's the fucking bootleg one. Alright, Jerry. I need you to put this back on.
But let me see.
Can you put this back on for me, Papi?
I'm just kidding. Huh? Next. Oh, no, you're good. I don't think it'll scrape. No, it's not gonna scrape. This one's stock. Oh, it has like 2 mods, but it's not.
This one will beat down?
No, hit the Challenger. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude.
There?
Yeah, that's good. Slow down. No, I'm just kidding.
What did you fuck up, bro? I'm nervous.
How much?
Oh no. Oh, this is how we doing, but we doing it.
You wanna watch the video?
Wait, did we pull the blue off?
Yeah, when we're ready
The
to
white,
do it.
it's gonna.
But you gotta make sure you pull it. Don't pull it too hard till the point it rip the whole shit.
That's why I want him to do it, so you can measure, see where, or
okay.
yeah,
Here.
anyone.
No, I'm kind of scared, bro. I'm gonna mess up.
Then you do it then. Fool. Just fucking.
I still have
Put the
the.
camera over there.
Well,
fool.
Jerry,
I,
gonna beat my
I
ass.
still have this. I still have the strip.
Or go that side. Cause Jerry, he heavy-handed.
I'm heavy-handed.
You are heavy-handed.
Nah,
Do I sprout water?
Yeah. Spray on. I was about to say spray it on the dude.
I'm like, what? You're fucking bad, dude. He said right here too.
I got
What,
the
you
new
gonna put the
camera
banner
guy.
way up here, Jerry?
He said to put some right there so it can slide, fool.
And then we put it on? Or?
That's why you guys don't have friends.
We're not even friends.
Ow!
We're coworkers. No, I'm just kidding.
I thought we were family.
I'm just kidding. We're family.
You guys were married.
Who?
They got married at work.
Come on, man.
How the?
Wait,
Why are you denying it, man? Yes.
4 hours
Or
later.
is there any way to take off the blue one? Because there's not.
I mean, you could super glue it.
Should we do one side first? Or?
Wait, hold on. Measure it first.
Oh, I feel this shit feels. Man,
Come over here, fool.
She just came back out from
You're a
working.
fucking master mechanic. Oh, swole ass. Your veins popped out. Damn, bro. I'm gonna just keep my jacket on. Fuck that.
All right. So,
Where?
All right, let's.
wait. So we should put tape or what? Or hey, where's the blades?
I
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
hey,
yeah,
you
the
think we
table.
should take this off first? Because if we stamped it down and pull this off, it's gonna pull the whole lettering.
What?
You get what I'm saying?
What?
Fuck the blue. Don't look at that bullshit blue. Look at this.
The white?
Just say you got the white, right? And if we take this off, it's gonna pull. The
I know.
whole-
We won't take it off. We'll just take off the blue. That's what you're saying, right? We won't take off
You wanna
this
take
shit
this
until
off
we put
first?
the blue
Yeah,
on.
take this off first.
Then I'll fuck up.
You sure?
You sure?
It's already fucking up on this side. I noticed.
Okay. Sure plan. Respray it again.
Humpty Humpty Dumpty.
Wait, so we're gonna put this on and then we're gonna analyze, then cut it.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it.
Wait,
We're gonna square it first. We're gonna make it look even.
So I'm gonna underline it with, and then cut it later, or
Yeah, we
when it's
gotta-
on already.
We gotta cut. We gotta make take all the bubbles off first, then cut it.
Okay.
What? What's up?
Oh, he gonna go run. Hey, can you respray this?
Ah, don't trip, fool.
Hey, some girl in a blonde hair looking at you.
Where?
Just do it, man.
So I don't want gay stuff on my channel. Going
Go.
overboard. The
Go.
whole thing or what? Or just you?
What?
Just your side or what? Or mine?
Shit, I'm scared. Jerry, bro, look.
I'm gonna do it.
Come hold the blue. Come here.
Wait, what the fuck did I do? Which one did I spray?
The blue one. It was the blue one.
Which
Sure?
one? This one?
No,
What
like
one?
just right now. He sprayed the blue.
Should I clean it? Hold on.
Smell it.
Nah, shit.
What? Just respray it again.
No, I put this shit.
The window.
The
thing.
window thing.
Put the other one.
You're fucking jack, bro.
I gotta clean it. Where's it at?
I'm at
Where's the thing at?
It was in my trunk. Go get it.
Oh my fucking! Why would you put it away?
It's the
What you need?
the wet one.
What is it?
Move your big ass out my way.
Yeah.
Boy, this nigga put window cleaner on this shit.
Just get it top.
Where blue?
Under the car. No, in his hands.
Oh shit.
You guys already got it off.
No,
shit,
seriously.
look, you can't
Oh hell yeah, that's gonna help.
Fuck yeah! He's like, this fool's an idiot. He don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna help this fool out right now.
And his car's slow.
And his car's slow. Just waiting for him to fucking start talking shit.
Alright, ready? Let's do it again.
Wait, which one did you?
Oh, fool.
Hey, Isaac. Isaac, take that bottle over there.
Yeah, he's
See
gonna
ya.
use it again, bro.
Yeah,
Tell
yeah,
him.
yeah.
Jerry, he's. You got to spray the top, Jerry. Yeah, you're welcome.
Shut up.
Jerry, hold the blue.
Oh, let me spray this shit first.
Wait.
What are you doing? What happened?
No, you're cool.
It's stuck.
What's the? Oh, you're
See,
gonna
that's what
fold
I
it.
said.
Fool.
Hold the blue. Wait, I'm supposed to fold it? Oh,
Wait,
you go,
no,
you pull your
don't
side.
fold it.
How do
Pull
you
your
hold the
side.
blue too?
Oh, can you hold?
So that way you hold it with.
This is not a woman job.
There's probably people that do, like 2 people.
Careful, careful. Slowly, slowly there.
You want the pocket? You got it.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta measure this
Come
shit.
in, Pox.
This is where you're gonna help.
Oh, you pull it, Jerry.
Wet it. You want to wet it a little bit
Measure,
more?
measure. Measure.
You gotta keep it stretched out. Yeah. And then that should be good. Huh?
Yeah, that's perfect.
You good right there?
All right, yeah. Just go down. Oh wait, a little bit that way.
Right there?
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. You're right there.
Alright, now it's time for your car, Isaac.
Let's see if it works. Alright, stretch it a little bit more. Damn, we should have
There's
done
still
this.
bubbles, huh?
No, it should be good though.
Good. On top? Oh yeah, you're right.
It'll come out. Oh, there's some water in there. We should just take this off already.
Wait. No, don't do it because we got to card it.
No, because there's some water stuck in there. Oh, that should be good though.
I think your side's more lower.
For real?
Yeah.
Dumbass Isaac, man. Fuck, what's my time, nigga? I'm tired.
Is it? Fix it. One more time.
On this side, Jerry.
I'm
Go
gonna
down?
edit a lot of shit out.
No, why are you going back? There.
Right there?
Yeah.
Is it in the middle? Or pull it, Jerry.
There? For sure or no?
That should be good.
Is it or
Yeah,
no?
that looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. Fool, look. It's on top.
Alright, just slide it a little. Keep it on the same. Just slide it down a little. But stay on the same spot.
These shits got grip.
Put down a little more.
Alright, you're good. Right there.
Straight. Pull it, Jerry.
Right there.
There? Or not?
That should be good. Yeah, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, don't move it.
Okay. No bullshit this time, dog. If I hear one more photo, I'm fucking run.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna leave my car here and shit.
Oh, shit, we too spaced out, fool.
What do you mean?
Just wanted to say that.
Stop playing with me, fool.
What's it say in Chinese?
On the game.
Honda game?
Yeah, by
It
myself.
says McDonald's.
I should just.
The camera had died, but
Hey, get
Bender.
my bag.
what do you guys think? Look at that. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, man. Take care. Hey, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Hey, can you open that shit for me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home and be sad and I'm gonna fucking. Hey, that shit's bad, dog. I fucked up. That's not horrible. No, not bad, but cut. I cut it and I fucking pushed my finger in it. Fucked up.
Just go with the card when it dries. Later, freaking.
Our ladies, take care of all you can say.
From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps, insomnia, home of Junior Mafia, word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars, brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch.